Okay, Mazda. Love Mazdas. Maybe not in love with every model they ever made, but they have made some really good cars. This car's in here. Did it drive in?
Yes.
So this car actually drove in. It's got a check engine light. It was tuned before with a Cobb access port about a year and a half ago. And to be honest with you, we haven't seen the car since. So we got a call the other day. My car's not running right, yada, yada, yada. And, you know, came in with a check engine light. So we're going to go over the whole car right now and see what's going on. Maintenance-wise, it doesn't look like the guy maintained the car too much. I'm not trying to shit on the guy at all. It looks a little gnarly in here. So we'll see. We'll put some maintenance love to it and see what we can get. My favorite Range Rover. Oh boy. So, I mean, yes, this car came in with some problems. Yes, the problems weren't ridiculous, but the fact of the matter that Range Rover just put a motor in this car 6 months ago, under warranty no less, and to see the workmanship and everything that it now needs on this car is just incredible. I mean, down to like the oil filter housing. Whoever did this last literally broke the oil filter housing inside here and just fucking put it back together and let it go. Spring wasn't in correctly. Filter, look at this filter. That's more than 6 months old, my man. And the whole thing just came apart, you know. So, you know, nice cars. They're not bad. It's a supercharged version. It's pretty cool. But man, they got a serious problems with technicians. And this went to 2 different Range Rovers dealers, and both of them were shitty. I just have to say it. They're just shit places. I'm dealing with the parts department. The guys in the parts department are really good. But man, really crappy workmanship on these cars. So we're trying not to show you this car until we're done. We're doing a lot of cool things on it, but one of the cool things that I really like that I will show you is this new radium fuel tank. It is a work of art. It's just a beautiful, beautiful piece. It fits right in the wheel well where it's supposed to. We made the tabs and the brackets, or I should say the Monster made the tabs and the brackets to get that all in there. It really works well. I'm not even sure. I gotta look through the NHRA to see if I have to have a shield between the driver and the cell. I'm not even sure. I think this allows you not to have to use that shield because of the design on the company, design on the product. So, you know, I'm hoping I don't have to put the shield, but if I do, I do. But man, what a beautiful product. There's a bunch of other little things that we did on this car that we will talk about hopefully towards the end of the week. We are trying to test this car on Saturday. I know it's Mother's Day, but, you know, races, we don't really care, you know. I mean, you know, just, it's a day at the track. We got to get there. Mother's Day, Sunday, Father's Day, New Year's Day. It don't matter what day it is. If you opened up a track on Christmas Day, I guarantee you there'd be drag races there for sure. Steve.
Hello.
What a surprise to see you here. Anyway, Steve's been working on this. Worked really late on Saturday, and you know, look at the car. You know, you've seen the harness all over the place. Now it's in the car. It's all laid out. It's basically all tie wrapped in. Really nice work. Got a couple of more wires to touch up, but this thing is going to be ready for the dyno in the next day or so. It's probably ready for the dyno right now, but again, Haltech. What was the name of the Haltech? Oh, Rebel LS. Yeah, it's a Rebel. I'm sorry, I couldn't think of it for a second. The Rebel LS package. Obviously, it's got an LS motor in it. You ready?
It's got the dash too.
Oh, it's got the dash. You ready? Everything working?
Yeah, everything works.
Everything works. Wow, everything works. Fire in the hole, Steve. Let's start this. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Come on over here. Look how nice that dash setup is, man. Really nice. Obviously starts right up. It's gonna do some driving stuff with it, and then on the dyno, dash work is done. Really just a nice car.